I carry a book with me wherever I go. It's like my safety blanket. I love learning, but that's not why I love reading. Reading makes me feel utterly close to my home far away. And a good book always reminds me of my brilliant parents, because they loved reading more than anything else in this world. You see, you never need a grand reason to do anything your heart desires, as long as you have one reason that is good enough for you. So do it for you. You don't owe the world any explanation to be yourself. Just remember, the sky is the limit.